Welcome to this session on processing a customer open item report in SAP. In this demonstration, you'll learn how to access and generate a report that lists open items such as unpaid invoices, credit memos, and outstanding payments on a customer's account. This process is essential for keeping accounts receivable up to date and ensuring timely follow-up on pending balances. Regularly reviewing open item reports allows businesses to monitor customer payment behavior, reduce overdue accounts, and strengthen overall financial control. Let's see how this fits into real-world operations at Pepsi. Imagine Pepsi's accounts receivable team reviewing outstanding balances for a large retail customer. They use SAP's open item report to identify overdue invoices, check payment terms, and generate a follow-up list. The team then sends reminders and works with the customer to resolve open balances, keeping cash flow predictable and ensuring the account remains in good standing. Across Pepsi's global finance teams, SAP's open item reporting tools support structured payment tracking, quicker resolution of disputes, and improved transparency between finance and customer service teams. Now think about your own organization. Are you reviewing open items consistently? Could greater visibility into customer balances help improve collections and financial reporting? Let's walk through the process of generating a customer open item report in SAP. To effectively manage customer accounts and transactions in SAP, we start by accessing the customer line item display screen, which provides detailed visibility into a customer's open items. On the SAP Easy Access screen, we navigate to Accounting, then select Financial Accounting, followed by Accounts Receivable, and choose Account Display Change Line Items. The transaction code is FBL5N. This transaction code allows us to display or modify the line items associated with a customer's account, including open items, unpaid invoices, and other pertinent financial transactions. Once on the customer line item display screen, we enter the necessary customer account details to generate an accurate and detailed open item report specifically tailored to the selected customer. The customer account field enables us to specify exactly which customers' open items we intend to review and manage. By inputting the correct customer number, we direct SAP to produce a comprehensive list of open items associated with the specified account. After carefully entering the customer account information, we click Execute to proceed. This action triggers SAP to retrieve and display the open items for the chosen customer. Upon execution, the system generates a detailed and organized list of all open items for the selected customer account. These open items typically consist of unpaid invoices, outstanding payments, credit memos, and debit memos that are unresolved or uncleared within the system. The generated open items report provides key details including invoice number, document type, document date, due date, invoice amount, and clearing status. Analyzing this open items list enables us to quickly identify overdue or pending invoices, facilitating timely actions such as customer follow-ups, sending payment reminders, or initiating payment processing. Additionally, the report may include aging information, clearly indicating the duration each invoice has remained outstanding and unpaid. You've now completed the process of generating and reviewing a customer open item report in SAP. You've learned how to access the customer line item display screen using transaction FBL5N, input the customer number, and review key fields such as document date, amount, due date, and clearing status. This report gives you real-time insight into outstanding receivables, helping you follow up on overdue invoices, track payment patterns, and take timely action to support your collections process. Let's return to our Pepsi example. Whether reviewing balances for key distributors in Europe or managing retail accounts in North America, Pepsi's finance teams rely on SAP open item reports to stay on top of receivables, flag aging invoices, and maintain strong customer relationships through proactive communication. Now reflect on your role. Are you using open item reports regularly to manage customer accounts? Could better reporting and follow-up help reduce days sales outstanding or improve collaboration with customers? By mastering this process, you're helping ensure that your organization maintains healthy cash flow, accurate receivables, and stronger financial performance. Keep practicing. You're gaining critical SAP financial skills that support both operational control and customer satisfaction.